I hate to do this, okay? Alam ko, mahirap mawalan ng trabaho. Lalo na ngayon. Napakahirap ng buhay. Pero, sana po, we are sending a message loud and clear to everyone in government and everyone in the DOTR, everyone in the airport, everyone in the port, everyone in the railway, everyone in the road sector, LTO, LTFRB, everyone, that we will not tolerate this sort of behavior against our citizens. So we are hereby announcing the termination of all the people in the OPS who were involved in this incident. Alam mo? Tatlo. Three personnel. Hindi po kami naglalaro. We are not fooling around here. Hindi kami naglolo ko dito. Kung akala nyo naglolo ko kami, nagkakamali kayo. Kung akala nyo, ginagawa lang namin to for show, nagkakamali kayo. No, and the appropriate investigations will be conducted and the proper administrative charges will be filed after the investigation has been conducted. But now we are terminating them already today. I've already instructed General Bisnar to issue that order today. So again, please, sa lahat ng ating mga kasama sa DOTR family, because we are a family, we are a family of people who are here to serve our citizens. Ako po, hinihingi ko na ang pandinig ninyo. Kung hindi nyo pa kami naririnig loud and clear. We will not stand for any abuse. Any abuse will be met with the same result and the same swift action from us, as mandated and as ordered to us by the President himself. We will not allow this to happen. Okay? Apart from that, I've also asked Undersecretary si Jonko, our head of OTS, General Bisnar, and our GM, Eric Hines, to review the procedures and protocols there. Again, no, sa screening ng security sa airport. Ako po, I have been a passenger at this airport. Awa ng Diyos, it has never happened to me, no, and my family. Pero kahit ako yan, yung nangyari kay Kai at kay Ma'am Ruth, talaga matotrauma ako dyan. Can you imagine? Apparently, and of course, this is all subject to final investigation, nakadaan na pala sila, meaning they already cleared. And apparently, they were rushing to their gate para hindi sila mag-late sa flight. Alam natin lahat, as passengers, how stressful that is. Hindi ba? Nakaka-stress yun eh. Lalo na si Mami Ruth, medyo may edad na. No, hindi naman niya makakatakbo. Hindi ba? Nakadaan na sila, binalikan pa sila. Tinatanong ko nga si General Bisnar, di ba mali yun? Hindi, tama yun ah. Once you are screened and cleared by the screener, you're done. Kaya nga siniscreen eh, hindi ka pwede yung, ay, hinabol ka, tapos biglang haharasin ka. Hindi pwede yun. Doon pa lang mali na eh. Doon pa lang mali. Okay, so hindi natin papalampasin ito. And finally, apart from the review of the protocols, I am calling on our kababayans. Now, this incident happened March 6. Hindi ito nakarating sa akin until you guys, and I'm thankful to all of you in the media for reporting it immediately when you saw the post of Kai and Ma'am Ruth. Kung hindi kayo nag-report, hindi namin nalalaman eh, kasi hindi na-report sa akin. Apparently, hindi din na-report kay Yusek Apo, no? So, I am calling on our kababayans. Kapag nangyari sa inyo to, huwag kayong matatakot. Huwag kayong mahihiya. I-report nyo agad. And I'm asking Yusek Jim, GM Eric, and Yusek Apo, no? We will have a hotline. Magpapalagay ako ng hotline sa airport. Anything na maging ginawa sa mga kababayan natin, i-report nyo agad sa hotline na yan. And that hotline will go straight to Yusek Ato, to Yusek Jim, to GM Eric, and myself. No, and we will act on it. Huwag natin hintayin na ilang araw pa, tapos magagaman na natin kapag pinost na sa social media at i-report ng ng media natin. Mag-report nyo agad. As after it happens, report. We will set up this hotline ASAP para po may tatakbuhan ng mga kababayan natin. Wag ko kayo matatakot, wag ko kayo mahihiya. So with that po, I will pass it on maybe to Yusek Ato for some words, and then we'll accept some sorry. Yeah, ano muna natin siguro. Punta na muna tayo sa NAIA, tapos we'll just do questions altogether.